Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Kim once again, and I hope you are doing good today. So, let's talk about narrowing down your niche and why should you have a narrow niche. So, by now, you should have identified a few of the services that you want to offer as a virtual assistant. And if you don't have any idea yet of the services that you want to offer, you may check my previous video about choosing your services, and the link to that video is on the description box below. So let's assume you already have your ideal services. And we're now going to take these services and see if we can narrow that down a bit further. And you may have heard people talking about niching down, but you might be thinking, if I'm going to narrow down my services, does that mean I'm going to end up with fewer clients? Well, having a narrow niche doesn't necessarily equal fewer clients and sales. In fact, they can actually increase your chances of getting clients by letting you position yourself as an expert in a particular niche. So, if you think about it from a client's perspective, if they have a specific problem they need solving, like for example, they're struggling with building an engaged audience on Facebook. That client is going to want to hire someone who knows how to create a solid Facebook engagement strategy. They're going to be looking for a Facebook engagement expert. Now, it's really hard to position yourself as a Facebook engagement expert if you are marketing yourself as a generalist social media manager. So, it's very unlikely that someone can be an expert in every single social media platforms. So, clients who have specific problems they need solving, they will prefer VAs who specialize in solving specific problems rather than someone who is a generalist. So, offering general services makes it a lot harder to stand out from the noise. So, let's look at how you can narrow down your own services. So, we're going to take an example here of how you can niche down social media management. So, level one, you have your general social media manager who does everything. So, they create content, schedule content engagement, and then they work with every platform like Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, and Pinterest. And we can narrow that down to just two platforms. So you could be on Instagram or a Facebook account manager or expert. But then you're still focusing on doing everything like creating and scheduling content, plus all the engagements and the metrics analysis. So we can narrow that down even further to one platform and just one aspect of social media strategy. So you can now say that you are a Instagram engagement specialist. So you are positioning yourself as the go-to person for Instagram engagement. And then when someone struggling with Instagram engagement, they might do a search in Google or on social media, and you will come up and you're going to stand out from all of the other generalist social media manager. Now, they will be able to see you instantly that you are the expert that they should go to. So that's an example on niching down your services. And I will see you on the next video on identifying your ideal client avatar. This is Kim once again. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe for you to be updated on my latest uploads. And make sure you hit the bell button. And have a great day, everyone.